In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix iPhone that does not ring on incoming calls after updating to iOS 26. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your control center. Now enable for the option airplane mode. Wait for a few minutes and then disable it. Next thing you want to do is launch your settings, scroll all the way down and head over to the option apps. From the list of apps, find phone and launch it. Now here you're going to find this option of announce calls, click on that. Switch it to always, test your ringtone and then you can toggle it back to never. The simply on and off cycle helps reset the bug. After that, perform a forced restart by quickly pressing volume up, then volume down and then holding the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Likewise, reset your phone. For that, close this, launch your settings. Now scroll down and go to General. Click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings and go through the process. Likewise, check for the updates. For that, head back. Click on the option Software Update. If any updates are available, just update it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. At the end, if this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.